Suspicious mind.
Yeah, suspicious.
Cause you're suspicious mind. My suspicious mind. Yeah. Galing.
Don't you feel embarrassed? Do you? You probably should.
Patay ka.
Embarrassed.
Mami mo to. We're caught in a trap. I can't go out. Ha? Mama?
Kala tinawag sa moment eh.
You suspicious mind. I have a suspicious mind. Tawa.
Nakainom pa kayo, auntie? Auntie ka kasi na, auntie.
Mami.
Nakakainom po ba kayo?
Tukso, layuan mo ako.
Auntie ka kasi na, auntie.
Why don't you do what I do? Just listen to you. Don't take heart. Just listen. You know.
I'm trying to.
No, don't try and do it because you can't. I mean, you're at the age now where you've got to be very careful.
Nad, mag-gitara ka nga.
Yeah.
Si Ronald, magaling mag-gitara.
Patutugi lang ng Dust in the Wind. Isa lang Dust in the Wind. Dust in the Wind.
Sige, gusto ko kahit strumming lang.
Huh?
Sige na.
Sige na, kahit ano lang.
What's she laughing at now?
She's seeing her video, that's why.
Oh my goodness.
Marunong ka pala, sabi ko kay David, mag-aaral ako mag-gitara. Ano ba naman yan?